What's up guys, welcome to Raw Designs. In today's video, I'll be showing you 5 Figma plugins that will improve your UI UX design and save you plenty of time. The first plugin is the Unsplash plugin. This plugin allows you to directly insert images from the free stock photo site Unsplash, but without actually leaving Figma. It's quite easy to use. All you need is a shape. You select the shape and insert the image of your own choosing. I will show you an example how to use it. For example, we're going to select this rectangle right here. Going to draw a rectangle, and then we're going to use this as a placeholder for our image. We're going to go to the Unsplash plugin, select it, then we're going to choose an image of our own choosing, for example people. I'm going to click search, and then simply by clicking on it, it will insert right here. We can resize this image right here, we can play around with it, we can even edit its radius. We can crop it by selecting the fill, by selecting the image, go into crop right here, and we can crop it and move it around. The second plugin is Spell Checker. This plugin describes itself. It checks for spelling mistakes in your checks because we tend to make them while we're focused on design. I'm going to show an example how it's been used. Let's make some spelling mistakes. We're gonna make the checks a little bit bigger. That's too big. Let's make it a bit smaller, 24 pixels. And then we're gonna go to our plugin, the Spell Checker plugin. It highlights the mistakes in red. We're gonna go and correct it. And then we're gonna check it again. It's completely fine now. The third plugin is Content Reel. This one helps you save lots of time as it generates text, dates, icons, avatars, images, and more. For example, we're gonna generate a random address using the Content Reel plugin, or a full name if we want. But we're gonna need a text as a placeholder first. We're gonna use a text layer and then insert the name of our choosing, or we can go and use a date instead, a random date or an address like this. We can also use it for icons. As we see here, we have plenty of simple line icons. We can use it for images, avatars. We can use the same thing as we did with Unsplash. Let's use this right here and click on it, and it will fill the image for us. Fourth plugin is Blush. This plugin is great. It gives access to a ton of free illustration to add spice and variation to your design, and they are fully customizable as well. For example, I'm going to open Blush right here. I'm going to select one of these many illustrations. They are all free. If you want to use the medium PNG, large PNG, or the SVG variant, you're going to have to upgrade to Pro. Let's select this one right here. We can fully edit the colors. We can change the expressions. It's fully editable. I'm just going to shrink it down a bit, as we see right here. The last plugin is Archibald Mockups. This plugin allows you to showcase your design and free and easy to use professional mockups. I'm going to show you an example right here. I'm going to open one of my projects. I have a project done right here. I'm going to open it. And then I'm going to create a mockup using that plugin. I'm going to click on Add Mockup Item. And then we're going to select this iPhone mockup right here. We can select any of these if we want. I'm going to drag this out of the way. Then we're going to simply copy this screen right here and drag it over to this screen. I'm going to go to the plugin again. Then we're going to simply click on Render Selected Frame. And as we see here, it did all the work for us. We can export it if we want. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.